I was giving you a simple sleeve placket, and these are the fabric I'll be using. This is just beginners friendly, a simple sleeve placket. So this is the fabric I will be using. This the length of this is I will be making it 7 inches. We're making it 7 inches. And the width is 3 inches. I should make it 3 inches. The width should be 3 inches. And this one, the length of this is 6.5 and the width is 1.5. So I will commence immediately to run the stitch so that you will see how it goes. So I want you to watch very carefully. This the little piece we go for the small side of it. I want you to watch something. This is the right side of the fabric and this is the wrong side of the fabric, and this is the little piece, and this is the right side of the piece, and this is the wrong side. So I will place it on top of it just this way, while the right side, both right side are facing upward. Then I will run the stitch on it. Then I will turn this, turn it this way, and also fold it again and run stitch at the tip of the small piece. So on this area I will cut out a little. I want to see how it is. You can see it. So I will also run stitch on this side. The wrong side are facing upward. I just turn it. I turn it, leaving the wrong side facing up. The both wrong side are facing up as I turned it. So I will run stitch. In fixing of this sleeve placket, this particular one, I say it's just a simple form of fixing placket. It's beginners friendly. You don't need to apply interface on it. I want you to just watch carefully as I do it. So I will also fold here. It's a simple form of fixing your placket. Very easy, and is beginners friendly. So while getting to the end of it, I will fold it to have a triangle shape at the bottom of it. Then I will run my stitch. So you can see it. I will take it to my table to iron it, and then I will return back. So I'm back from the ironing table. You can see the placket. You can see how it is. So simple and easy, and a beginner friendly. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well to give me a like on this video, and if you are new to my channel, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a wonderful video like this. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.